Being able to provide protection for yourself and your family is a right that you have as an American citizen. The best means to obtain that security is to own a personal firearm. Bill of Rights, Amendment 2. A well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms, shall not be infringed. Today I'm going to provide you with some reasons why gun ownership is a must for all legally able citizens. I want you to take this information and use it the next time you vote for a gun control arises and decide against it. After all, it's your right. First, let's begin with the biggest impact of gun ownership: defense. Defense of yourself. Owning a firearm is a surefire way to provide you with the necessary force to deal with any type of physical harm an assailant plans on causing. Of course, there are measures to which you can legally use the firearm in any given situation. You'll have to check with your local state laws on the specifics. For example, under Florida Statute 776.031, there is a no duty to retreat. If you are attacked in any place you have a lawful right to be, instead, you may stand your ground and meet force with force, including deadly force, if you are reasonably to believe that it is necessary to prevent death or great bodily harm to yourself or others. Defense of your home. We all work very hard throughout our lives to obtain the possessions that we have. Do you want to just hand it over to some criminal and simply let them take it from you? Or do you want to defend what is yours? Owning a firearm, whether it is a rifle, shotgun, or handgun, will greatly increase your chances of defending your property. Odds are good that you merely have to let the intruder see a firearm and they will flee. As with personal defense, ensure that you review and understand the laws of your state prior to purchasing and arming yourself. Florida law states under Statute 776.031 that you have the right to use deadly force if the person against whom the defensive force was used was in the process of unlawfully and forcibly entering or had unlawfully and forcibly entered a dwelling, residence, or occupied vehicle, or if that person had removed or was attempting to remove another against that person's will from the dwelling, residence, or occupied vehicle, and the person who uses defensive force knew or had reason to believe that an unlawful and forcible entry or unlawful act was occurring or had occurred. Those are some guidelines as to when and how you can use deadly force or whatever force you deem necessary. Now, defense of your family and innocent bystanders. The final point that I would like to make about the defense is probably the most important to many of us: defending your family and innocent bystanders. I would do anything to protect my family, and without a doubt would be willing to help anyone I saw in grave danger. Would you? Owning a firearm will aid each and every one of you in successfully providing the protection that our loved ones and fellow civilians may need. Under Florida Statute 776.012, you can protect them if he or she reasonably believes that such force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm to himself or herself or another, or to prevent the imminent commission of a forcible felony. So far, I have told you about the ways of owning a firearm can benefit you through defense. Now I'll cover some safety topics to ease the minds of those that may have some concerns. First off, we'll begin with education. Education is vital in gun ownership. You must have an understanding of the weapons and its capabilities. Also, you need to know how to use it properly and safely. There are some avenues for that. Classes. There are many classes available for those that have never owned or fired a firearm. One avenue is to check with the NRA or National Rifle Association. They have a website that you can select the type of training you may need, ranging from safety courses to beginner courses to specific firearm type training. You can also search by state. So the means are out there. Ensure that you take advantage. Next, we'll talk about storage and access. There's always a fear of gun storage, especially with parents. In reality, there are many ways to own a firearm and keep it stowed and your family safe. Trigger guards. These devices attach to the trigger portion of your firearm and provide a lock to keep unwanted fingers from accessing the trigger, though they're a bit troublesome in case you need quick access to the firearm. Another avenue you may want to explore is a gun safe. Nowadays there are many types available. You could opt for a safe that locks with a combination and stands alone, or, which I recommend, is a fingerprint safe. That all you have to do is simply place your fingers on top of the safe and it recognizes your print and opens. They are great for quick access of your weapon in case of an emergency and provide you with a safe storage. And last, awareness. With everything in firearm ownership, awareness and education are vital. Teaching your family the importance of safety and the dangers associated with the weapon will greatly improve the chances of avoiding an accident. I know when I was a kid, my father kept loaded guns around the house at all times. Not that I'm suggesting you do that. However, I was taught the proper use and safety of the weapon. It was instructed not to touch it. However, I do believe a proper safe is the best all-around option for the safety of your family and for ease of access. So, I hope that by listening to this speech, I have inspired you to purchase a firearm for the defense of yourself and your family and friends. I want you to be safe and get yourselves educated on the laws of your state and on the proper orientation and operation associated with the weapons of your choice. And last, I hope you learned how to properly store and protect your firearm to avoid accidents from irresponsible stowing. Next time you vote in your state on gun laws, please vote against gun control. Don't forget that it's your right to own a firearm. Don't lose it.